Hey guys, Dr. Ross here with Inver Grove Chiropractic, and today we are talking about headaches, specifically tension headaches, otherwise known as cervicogenic headaches. Either one doesn't matter to me. But when we look at cervicogenic headaches, there's a few different causes of them, and what I want to concentrate on a little bit today is if we lose the curve in our neck. Structure is extremely important when it comes to our spine. And just a little recap, we have multiple curves when we're looking at our spine from the side. We have a lordotic curve in our neck, kyphotic curve in our mid-back, lordotic curve in our low back, and another kyphotic curve in our sacrum. And if we lose any of those, biomechanically it causes a lot of stress in our spine, on our muscles, on the ligaments, on the tendons, on the nerves, on the discs, on the bones. So it really puts stress in there day in and day out. And when we start to lose this curve in our neck, it puts a ton of tension on the muscles, which then puts tension especially on the disc spaces. It can start arthritis, degeneration, lots of fun stuff. But what it does specifically for headaches, it puts a ton of tension on the upper portion of our spine. Our vertebrae get locked up, the nerves get irritated, our suboccipital muscles get angry, and then we get those daily, which is a very common thing for people when they have tension headaches. So what can we do about it? For one, we need to figure out, have we lost that curve? The best way to do that, there's two things. The most specific way is x-rays. We'll be able to see structurally what's going on, arthritis, degeneration, where that curve is. A cool thing that we do in our office with x-rays is we do motion x-rays with that too. So we can see functionally what's going on. Pair structure, pair function, we get to see a ton of results, which is a lot of fun. But then we also get to see where that curve is, and do we need curve correction, and what that looks like. And if curve correction is something we need, we have a lot of different tools in our office to be able to help with that. An adjustment is a big piece of that. We have physical therapy in our office with Dr. Emily, and then also with our PTA, Blake. We have different tools when it comes to the adjusting. We have the activator. We have the arthrostim. We get to use this to help put motion back in the spine as well. Stimulates a lot of proprioceptors in the spine to try to get those joints to say, hey, this is where I'm at now. Let's stay here when we start to get them moving. But then exercises and stretches are extremely important with that too. So there's a lot of different tools in our tool bag to work with tension headaches specifically. And a big piece of that, especially when we've lost our curve, is we need to try to put that in there as much as we possibly can. So we need to work on structure, we need to work on function, and then we need to figure out why that neck started to lose its curve to begin with. And when we can start to change those things on a daily basis, we get long-lasting relief from headaches. So if you guys have any question on what we can do in the office when it comes to tension headaches specifically, please ask the question below. If you guys think anyone can utilize this that you know of, share this, like it, follow us on Facebook. We would greatly appreciate it. So again, have a wonderful evening. We love you. See you later.